In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Datadog resources using Terraform. By the end, you'll have the Datadog side of the Terraform workflow set up, so you can treat dashboards, monitors, and other Datadog resources as code with confidence. First, go to Datadog and sign into the account and region where you want to work. It helps to double-check you're in the right organization and site, since Datadog has multiple regions and integrations are scoped per account. Make sure your user role has permission to install integrations. If you're not an admin, you may need someone with the right access to follow along or approve changes. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully load so the navigation menu appears. Next, look to the left-hand side and click Integrations. This opens the catalog where Datadog lists official and partner integrations. Think of this as the control panel for enabling supported tools and ecosystems inside your Datadog account. If you don't see the menu right away, try expanding the sidebar or scrolling. The integration section is usually near the top level navigation and clearly labeled. In the integrations catalog, use the search bar and type Terraform. You're looking for the official Terraform integration entry. Selecting it brings up the overview page, which explains what the integration enables and links you to setup guidance. This page helps bridge Datadog with your infrastructure as code workflow, so you can keep your monitoring resources consistent, reviewable, and version controlled. If the search returns no results, confirm you spelled Terraform correctly and that you're in the correct Datadog site for your account. When you're on the Terraform integration page, click Install Integration. Installation is quick and doesn't immediately change any of your resources. It simply enables the integration inside your Datadog account so it's ready to work with your Terraform tooling. If the button is disabled or you see a permissions message, contact an account administrator to grant the required access. After installation, you'll typically see confirmation on the page showing the integration is active. That's it for the Datadog side. From here, your team can manage Datadog resources through code in your existing Terraform workflow, gaining repeatability and safer changes through version control and reviews. A few tips as you move forward. Keep environments separated so changes are validated before production. Follow least privilege principles for any credentials used by your automation, and document patterns for common resources so your team stays consistent. You've just navigated to Datadog, opened integrations, searched for Terraform, and installed the integration. With that in place, you're ready to scale your monitoring with infrastructure as code.